So all of our public buildings, we have seismic readings. Earthquake drills once a year.
Well, hopefully they use the same people that they use in Turkey.
I think sculptors must have enjoyed some great job security.
Hope so.
It's crazy. They use chisels to carve these structures. They could take us up one time.
I was just say, how many mistakes are you allowed to make?
So the final project is not finished and these plants now they are trying, but actually they are not doing well. We're supposed to have a garden of papyrus. So this one will be totally full of the papyrus plants.
Birds, we have ducks, we have these, but we don't have chickens. Okay, the chicken was not in Egypt, it came from outside. Some people say it's from Syria, and some people say the Roman people come from Egypt.
Then the soul comes from the west.
The
However, the entrance of the tomb is from the west side. No, the east is the mountain. So entrance